Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini Happy Planner dashboard that I use for social media. And this week, in commemoration of the Plant a Happy Life box that is coming out on May 2nd, I'm going to be decorating all of my spreads with this gorgeous sticker book. Let's get started. All right, first things first, the stickers in here are fantastic. I'm in love with the stickers in here. So how did I do it last week? Because I almost have to use last week as kind of inspiration because I'm still getting used to this layout. But let's see. I love all of these. I'm going to take this and put this down. I'm going to cover this. I wonder if this would go better here. And then I have a really nice, say floral, but one of the gorgeous, like these stickers are fantastic. Oh, I love it. Okay, love grows here. I like this, you grow girl. So if I put this here, crap, I hate when that happens. Don't mean to put it down and then it just goes down and, ugh. So if I do this, okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. So let's put this sticker there. Put this one down here first. And then I'm going to white this out and put You Grow Girl here. Being very careful to not just plop it down anywhere. Then I'm going to put a box here, but even before I do that, I'm going to find another quote. I don't think there's tons of quotes in this one. No, I don't think there are. I mean, there's quotes, but not like the translucent ones like this. So maybe I will take this really pretty one, white this out, and just place this in the corner. And then use one of the these ones. Plant Dreams and Grow a Happy Life, Plants Friends, Bloom Baby, Belief, like this, Belief. So corny, but so cute. All right, and then I'm gonna place a box here. And that will be for my Instagram and YouTube stats. So let's find a box. I think I passed all of the ones that I wanted to use. Here we go. I'm going to use the light pink just right here. Perfect. And then I'm going to cover this up because this is going to be my schedule of the videos I have to film. So let's just put a nice little floral there for now. Actually, yeah, let's just do that. And that will be my filming schedule there. So now this side, I will, let's see. So up here is my schedule of YouTube videos that have to come out. So I'm going to, there is a, oh, I know what I should have done. There was a to-do sticker. But I think I'll put this right like this. And then I was already looking through the icons that are in here in terms of what would work for me for stickers that have the color background, stickers that have the white, or pictures that have the white background. So according to my schedule, the dates here will be for Instagram. So for the 3rd, it's on a white background. So I'm going to use, there were flags that I wanted to use. Oh, did I skip some? No, that's not all of them. There's flags. Okay. So circles for color, flags for a white background. So Monday's picture will be on a white background. Tuesday's picture will be on a color. Wednesday's picture will be on a, actually there's two that are supposed to come out on a Wednesday, so I'm going to have one and choose this. So I'll have a white and a life. That one will be lifestyle. And then on the Thursday, which is the 6th, there will be a white background picture. And then on the 7th, it will be a color background. We'll do the green. And then on the 9th, or sorry, the 8th. The 8th is a white background. I had to look at my schedule again for a sec. I mixed up my dates. So the 8th, and then the 9th will be a, let's do this, color. Okay. Now, I'm wondering if I should put in some washi, because washi is cute, especially this. I feel like if I just put a little bit of washi from this collection, and I feel like, let's see, where's the other washi? Oh, they're all in the box. Okay, so let's do this really quickly. Plant Lady. Actually, I was wondering which one to put down first, but I'll put this one down first. And then Plant Lady. Although I am not a plant lady. I do not own plants. It's just not in my, I can barely get the words out for why I'm not a plant lady. I don't know. I feel like it's almost similar to me cooking. Like I can do recipes and stuff and they come out maybe like 80% what I want them to come out as. And I feel like being a plant lady would be the same. All right, okay, adding a little washi in there. I might add some here. Some of this Plant Lady pink one. Yes. Actually, I really like that. Okay, so that will be what it looks like before the pen. I'm going to go ahead and fill that out now. So that is my overall finished spread. I really like the way that the dashboard layout works for me in terms of social media. So I write in my filming list here, and I normally film either Thursday night, Friday, Saturday. It's spread out over those 3 days. And then in here I leave my Instagram and YouTube stats. And then here is the actual YouTube list of videos that when they're going to be published. And then this is where I place my Instagram picture, so what's being posted when and what color background. All right, I really love the My Garden sticker sheets. They are so pretty and I love the overall color scheme and I think it looks great in my planner this week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.